Hello beautiful people, welcome to another episode of Learn Something New with Vtex. So today we'll be learning how to make this beautiful structured cape in the video. Now the first is the materials I'll be working with. This is the applique I want to work, it's a gold applique I want to work with. Then this is the raglan bone. I cut them into strips. I'm using shorter strips because I'm working with a mini body form. Now the next thing is to coat the raglan bone with the color of the fabric I'm working with. So I had to sew to coat the bone one by one. Okay, just like the normal way you do your structured bone for corsets. So I coated all of them one after the other. See the folding. If you watch the video, in the video you see I demonstrated how I folded it, the main way you fold from the beginning to the end, and how to sew. So I worked with quite a number of bone. So I coated each one of them this way, one by one, and then after coating it with my machine, remember I used the exact color of fabric. Then I took it to the pressing table and then pressed each of them. After sewing you have to press your work so that it will be neat. So I gave each of them a good press, and also to straighten the bone. And then after the bone, remember I said I'm using a short length like this because of the length of the body form I'm working with. So after pressing, this is what I have for all of them. See the way I arranged them. Now next is I want to attach the applique. Now use it to cover the front parts of the bone, the side that will be facing outside. You can make use of rhinestone, you can make use of any other applique you want to use, but this one I chose this gold mini stone gold or million stone gold applique, okay, because that is what I felt will come out nice for this particular work. So you see I had to make use of the glue gun because it is a temporary work. I'm using a mini body form, but please, if you are sewing on the main dress, it's better for you to use needle and thread to tack it. It lasts more, as if you are beading, so you just tack it. But this one, because it is more like a demonstration, I'm quickly using a candle wax so that I will come out fast. So after coating, this is what I have, and then that is the mini body form I am working with. So the next is to attach one by one. Now also, because like I said, because this is a temporary work, I'm just demonstrating how it was attached on the dress. So I'm making use of office pin to fix the bones the way it will stand. But please, if it is a main dress, after tacking, using office pin to tack like this, you use your needle and thread. You still use office pin to pin, then after that you use your needle and thread to fix them one after the other. But this one, because it is a demonstration, you still have to use, I'm using my pin to tack them one after the other, the way it was arranged there. So you feel free to, at this point, to work with any number or arrangement how you want it, but the most important thing is to get that standing effect. And then after everything, this is what I have. So you see, this is the finished work. For more tutorial like this, subscribe to our channel so that we can drop videos like this. Thank you.